What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the OrangeApe Outdoors channel. Today we are going to be doing a check-in ride on the OrangeApe Mini Bike. It's been sitting for a little bit because of the colder weather, of course. So today we are going to make sure that we've got air in the tires, make sure everything's tight, good to go. We'll change the oil out on it because it's been a while since the oil has been changed on it, and the gas, luckily, should be good to go, so we don't really have to worry about that. And then, of course, we'll just talk about the bike some and get some shots of us riding around. Let's get right into it. The bike frame itself is from the 1970s. I'm not sure what model exactly it is. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. Love the shape of the handlebars. And of course, we are working with the Predator 212 motor. Classic motor for mini bikes, go-karts, all kinds of stuff. They are easy to work with, easy to work on, just a very smooth and reliable platform overall, and there's a ton of different upgrade options for this kind of motor. And this, of course, is what I mean by easy to work on. We are just going to want to throw a 10mm wrench on there and get that cracked loose. Typically, these aren't in here very tight, so we'll just take this loose with our fingers. And there we go. We'll go ahead and get all this oil drained out of there. It is, of course, going to catch the lip right there a little bit, but we're not too concerned about that. We'll kind of tilt the bike backward a little bit, let gravity do most of the work for us. And real quick, I do want to mention that if you pop the dipsticks for the oil, it'll help get a little bit more airflow in there. Might help you get it drained out just a little bit quicker. Once you're pretty confident that you've gotten all the oil out of there, we'll just go ahead and get this snugged back up with our fingers here. And once we get that snugged up nice and tight with our fingers, we'll get the ratchet on there and snug it up a little bit. You do not want to over tighten that. Once you've got the bike down on fairly level ground, you're going to want to put one of the dipsticks back in, and you are going to want to put about half a quart of oil. We'll start putting the oil in. We want to put in, like I said, about a half quart of 10W30. Just adding it in there slowly to make sure that it all makes its way down into there. And that I'm not adding too much because I don't want to have to crack that drain plug again. We are just about there, just a skosh more oil. And there we have it. That looks like a perfect pour on my end. Look at that. Half a quart. Make sure the bike is completely level. Screw your other dipstick in after it's sat for a minute or so. We'll pull the dipstick back out and we will check the oil level. The oil level is looking pretty solid here, so let's change the camera angle up and see about getting this bad boy fired up. All right, let's try to get this thing fired up. We will turn the valve on for the gas over here. Make sure the kill switch is off, and we should be good to go. As I said earlier, the gas in here should be good. And just real quick, before we get this started, before we give this a try, I do want to take a quick second to say, just for fun, I'm going to put my Cash App down in the description of this video. So if you would like to help me build out this mini bike, go ahead and hit that Cash App in the description of the video and let me know what parts you would like to see on this bike. Let's go ahead and try to get this fired up here. So just a choke. Let's let it warm up for a second here before we switch the choke over to run. I am so excited to ride this thing again. Let's get some air thrown on that tire, and then I'm going to get y'all strapped to my OtterBox on my backpack, and let's go for a ride. Scrubber brake. Man, I'm not used to that scrubber. Flip my hat backwards. See how fast we can go, boys. Still lost a hat. Woo! Man, I can't keep the hat on to save my life. Should have clipped it to my belt. that'll be it for today's video, everybody. Thank you for joining me as we got the mini bike ready to go for another season of riding it around and having fun. As I said earlier in today's video, I am going to leave my Cash App in the description of the video, so if anybody wants to help build out the bike, do some fun upgrades to it, I would love to make some videos of doing that. And as always, if you click the description of the video, you will find affiliate links so you could check out some of the gear that I have featured on the channel. And as always, thank you. Have an awesome day.